What's up, guys? Me and my buddy are trying this new airsoft place today. It's an indoor airsoft. We usually play outside early morning. And here's the gear. Yeah, good old reliable, the new thing, and all that stuff. So we'll see how it goes today. All right, first things first. We're gonna get some coffee. Hope they're open. Alright guys, unfortunately I have low tire pressure, so we're gonna deal with this real quick. I'm at Boogies. Good old Boogies. Alright, let's do this. Alright, just got my tire aired up again. I'm really tempted to go get some breakfast or something at Boogies, but like, I don't know. I want to get to this place right when it opens, and I'm a little too lazy to walk up in there with this whole black get up on. I don't want anyone staring at me weird, so we're just gonna keep going. Alright y'all, I think we are here, and here's this buddy of mine right there. There's his little truck. And here's the place right here. Let's see if he's in his car. Alright, we're gonna go inside and see what's up.
What's up? Oh, it does have a front screen. That's cool. And back to you, reporter.
Alright, what's up, guys? It's currently like 8:40. This place is supposed to open at 8 o'clock. We've been forced to sit in our hot cars. I mean, we don't want to turn on our car, save gas, but yeah, so far just been chilling like a villain. I'm about to be a villain if they don't open, but don't come at 8 o'clock because they open themselves for themselves at 8, but they don't open to the public at 8 apparently. I don't know, but it's getting hot out in Texas, man. Hot out here in the middle of the city. All the air pollution, it's getting to us. Look, he's passed out. Guys, gotta do something. Guys, we are in the alien environment. This guy's a real hell diver. Got the gold pistol. Yeah, I got the gold. Alright guys, it's been a long day getting out of here around like 4:30. I think I got some great clips for y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, that was a Captech Airsoft. Alright, y'all say bye to this guy. Alright guys.
Peace.